Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. All right, out here today in beautiful Deer Run in Crossville, Tennessee, smoking a Pappy Van Winkle. That's a good one. We're out here on this little lake, out on Friendship Lake. It is stocked with some decent little bluegill and pumpkin seeds, and we're going to be using a Abu Garcia, just a little bait caster. I say bait caster, but like a little spinning rod with basically the little kit that comes with it. And we're gonna go out here and see if we can catch some fish. So stay with me. We'll just do some fun fishing and see what we catch. All right, first one of the day, and it's close up to the bank. Let's see what she is. Let's see here, boys. All right, this is very small to medium pumpkin seed. This is what we're talking about here. We're not talking about a pumpkin seed. It's not like a bluegill. Bluegill, it's a sunfish, but if you can see, you see that little orange struck there? That's what it is. So that's number one. And that's what this is stocked with. Again, we still got our bait. We're not using a bobber today just because these boys are on. It is hot, and these boys are either they're down deep or they are right beside the shoreline. So this one was caught right beside the shoreline. And this lake is not super deep, to be honest with you. This is going to be a decent one. Now that is a monster size pumpkin seed. That is what we're looking for, boys and girls, right there. See if I can get it not to flop out of the boat. Probably not. That right there. Genuinely, that's what we want right there. That right there is a great size. That's what we want right there. Alright, so I don't have any more sinkers. That kind of stinks. But what I've got a bobber, and I've got a hook, and I've just got a worm, and I'm basically just floating it out there and just letting her run. But that fish that costs, that's a money size pumpkin seed. That's what you want. That was about quarter of a pound. That was a nice fish. Let's see here. Oh, there's your nice bluegill, boys. Bluegill is what we're looking for. Let's see. That's what we want right there. She swallowed it. That's a nice bluegill. That orange, that's what we want. That's big. Oh, she got it. Later, gator. All right, that's what we want. That's what we want right there. You can almost tell when it's going to get hit. When it don't get played with, it's kind of meh. All right, boys, let's see what we got here. It's down pretty good. Let's reel her in and see. This is a nice, that is a bluegill. It's a big one, but it doesn't have that, it has that yellow, maybe a hybrid. Nice little fish. Let's get him off of here. Get you a rag. He's got it hooked a little sideways here. Let's see. You got it hooked pretty good. There we go. All right, let's see here. Let's see him. That's a good sized fish. That's a decent sized fish. All right, buddy. He's a lively one. Now I caught him a little bit farther out, about right here. So let's see if we can catch some more. All right, here's what we got. Let's see what we got here. Medium size. Let's go ahead and take her off. So we've got that right there, medium size. This is another little bluegill, not a pumpkinseed. This is a bluegill. And we're just gonna throw that back in the water. That would be what we call like a whole fryer. If you wanted to like eat them, you wouldn't fillet that one. That would be just something you fried up. All right, this is not a great one, but it's one to get. This again is a medium pumpkin seed. Again, oh, this is what we've been after kind of the whole time. Now they're good eating. I've eaten them before, and I like them. I like them a lot. Let me show you. Again, nothing to write home about. Beautiful little orange. Good stuff. Let's see. There you go. Beautiful. Another little pumpkin seed. Might be the same fish. It's almost the same size. And just this worm, oh, he swallowed the heck out of this one. So that's an itty bitty one. That's probably what I deserve for throwing. I threw it right over there. Probably what I deserve for throwing it over there. Let's see. Let's try not to get super fishy. There you go. Again, pumpkin seed. So not bad for Neighbor Lake. Got another fella fishing. He may be catching stuff. If he is, he ain't making a lot of noise, and that's good. There we go. Got us another. Let's take a look at it. Oh, pulled a little bit harder this time. There we go. That is a good size. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. That is a beautiful pumpkin seed. See if y'all can see that. It's a good size one right there. I've got a little honey hole here. They want to pick it up. Here we go. I got another one. I want to pick it up and play with it. See if I can. There we go. Hold on. Hold on. Take it. Take it. Take it. There it is. There it is. There it is, boys and girls. There we go. That's a good half-pound fish. Half-pound, quarter-pound. That's what we're looking for all day, boys. Right there. People say they don't like fishing. I don't know what they're talking about. It's that right there. That's that's perfect hook set, right to the lip. I mean, that's great. That's great. And again, just a bobber, hook, and some worms. And this is how you catch fish out here on Good Neighbor Lake. Playing with it again, all right. Here we go, boys. Oh my gosh. Pulled it too late. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Trying to get my feet out of the shot. All right, here we go. It's getting taken, getting taken, getting taken. There it is. There it is. Hey there. Money hour tonight, boys. Money hour tonight. That's a good fish. Hard to do this, but yeah, that's another really nice fish. Guys, let's see. 1 inch. That is an 8.5 inch fish. 8.5 inch fish, boys. Again, good fish. And we've got a little honey hole just right off here. Let's cast another one out for us. Let's see if we can catch another one. Alright. Get my foot out of the way. Oh, there it is. There it is. Ooh, there's a good one. That's a good one, boys and girls. May have foul hooked him, but that's a good fish. That's a good fish. There it is. Nice little bass. There it is, boys and girls. Good Neighbor Lake bass. Good Neighbor Lake bass. Let's see here. Yes, sir. Here we go. All right. There we go, boys. That's a good fish. There we go. That's a nice little fish. That is a, let's see here. That's a 13.5 inch fish right there. Look there. Nice little bass. I'll take that all day, every day. All right. There it is. Hey. That's what we boys and girls. On that one, I think we're going to end it and let some of these other fellers catch some fish. So, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing. For Good Neighbor Lake, Deer Run RV Park, this is Tcarp.